Yeah, come on now. It's all done, and it's because of this man right here, Enrique.
How you doing, guys?
Man, wow.
It's almost midnight, but I'm here with Jose, delivering and picking up the limousine that took us, how long?
7 months, man.
7 months to build, but finally, we got the final product. There she is.
Dude, Enrique, thank you so much, dude. All the fans that this project has touched, they're all big fans of you, dude. So thank you very much. And this is Enrique's son, Santiago. What's up, Santiago?
I can really fight.
Yeah, I know you can, brother. Enrique at Platinum Big Toys here in Corona, California. My boy Sonny. Thanks, Sonny, for helping me start the GoFundMe so that we can do this, man. But it's all done. This is it, man. Wow, there's so much to talk about, but I'll just go inside real quick and show you the finished limo. Oh, cute. Look at this. Look at this. Vinny's bottle opener, names, GoFundMe. That's a TV, it's a partition. There's the license plate from the original limo, and it's ready to go. We just need to stock these bars right here, but the stereo system kicks. It's gorgeous in here. Oh my goodness, look at these leather seats, man, and where Vinnie and Dime would be. Let me show you the front too. So this is crazy. License plate that just came in today. It's a cool reverse camera as well. All original windows, all new siding. The ground effects lights are awesome. In the front here, new carpeting, new seats in the front. It's dialed in, man. Look at that cool reverse camera right there. Come on now. Look at this. Look at this, man. I have to get a little thing to attach the front license plate, but yeah, this is gorgeous, man. So 7 months and you did it, Enrique.
That's it.
Thank you very much, man.
Yeah, shout out to everybody that, helped out.
Yeah.
To do the final product. Here it is. If
it wasn't for them, Enrique, this couldn't have been done, man. So we brought it back to life, man. We did it. Enrique worked on it more than 20 years ago, originally stretching and cutting this, and then Vinnie and Dime bought this in 2001, and 20 years later, here it is now. Wow. I can't wait to freaking rock in this one, man. Right, Santiago?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks again, Enrique, brother.
you got it, man.
Much love, man.
Take care.